kings and queens, we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. Last week we did close with an inverted hammer, and it looks like we are doing the same thing today. If you do not know how an inverted hammer looks, we do have it right here, and the market usually fills the wick and continues up. The targets that I see potentially the market can come into is the Fibonacci levels, where I expect the market to come to and then bounce back down again. If we see that next week will be bullish, I am going to look at 43,500 and 45,200, 300 to see if we're coming to this level. I do expect the market to make the next impulsive move back down to 32,800, because that will break the previous lower low that we do have. I'm just following market structure by doing this, and taking the fib from the previous lower high to the previous lower low gives us these levels, and then expect the market to bounce back down.